Hold on, Tucker. Don't throw those eggshells away.
Why not, Grandma? They're just empty shells.
We're going to save them for a fun little experiment after breakfast.
An experiment? Like science?
Yes, my curious gardener, a growing experiment.
Growing? From eggshells?
You'll see. First, we gently rinse the shells. With a grown-up's help, we poke a small hole in the bottom.
So extra water can drain out?
Exactly. You're thinking like a scientist.
So the shells help the plants grow?
That's right. Now we fill each shell with soil.
I'll dig a tiny hole with my finger.
Seeds need a cozy place to rest.
Mr. Bean is going in. Woof!
Sunny the sunflower next.
And Tiny Tomato.
Now we gently cover them with soil. Shh, good night, seeds. Seeds need 4 important things.
Soil.
Water.
Sign. And time.
I'll spray gently.
Not too much, just enough.
This is a magical seed, Tucker.
Grandma, do seeds grow in other countries too?
Oh yes, seeds connect the whole world. Let's visit India. In India, mung beans have been grown for thousands of years.
Mung beans?
In Hindi, they're called moong. Moong. And they grow very fast. Let's try a quick sprout experiment.
Wow, a sprout experiment. Let's do it.
We place moong beans on a damp paper towel.
Not soaking wet, just damp.
Then we put a lid, cover it, and put it by the window. In 1 or 2 days, tiny roots begin to appear.
Look, I see the white roots.
The root grows down first.
And the sprout grows up.
Now let's visit Mexico. Hola! Corn has been grown in Mexico for over 7,000 years.
In Spanish, what is corn called?
Maíz.
Maíz. Day 1, nothing. Day 2, still waiting.
Growing takes patience.
Wait, I see something.
That's the seed waking up. When they're strong enough, we can plant them outside.
Wow, I can't wait. Even the shell?
Yes, the shell breaks down and feeds the soil. So nothing goes to waste. From breakfast scraps to growing life.
From tiny seeds to tall plants.
And from one country to another.
Our garden connects the whole world. And what country should we visit next in our garden?
Remember, even small things can grow into something wonderful.
See you on our next adventure.
If you'd like to grow your own eggshell garden at home, we made a special garden activity just for you. You can find it in our Etsy shop.